I want to assure you that the European Commission stands by you. We will do all what we can to support you during this public health crisis. Our first priority is people. We need to provide the health sector with the equipment needed to treat patients infected by the virus. And therefore we work with the industry to ramp up the production of equipment such as respiratory devices or masks. And we work with the pharmaceutical industry to ensure we have the medicine that we need. We have just launched a joint public procurement with member states for respiratory ventilators and testing kits. Slovenia will be able to sign a contract in about a week. Our second priority is to help people to return home safely. Many Europeans are stranded abroad. We help bring them back through joint flights. Other people are blocked at the borders in the European Union. We work with national governments to enable them to go home. And we want to ensure that the transport of goods and essential services can continue. In this context, I want to thank Slovenia for the efforts made on the transit of trucks. Cooperation among neighboring countries is critical. In addition, we do all we can to support people and companies that are affected by the crisis. I have announced a package of measures to keep people in employment, to fund SMEs, and to help entire economic sectors that are hit by the economic crisis. We will defeat this virus by working together.